Russia-Ukraine war. Ukraine hits Russian oil tanker with sea drone hours after attacking naval base. Ukraine's military says it has hit a Russian oil tanker in the Black Sea with a sea drone, hours after attacking a Russian naval base in the same region. The attack on the oil tanker, the Millennial Spirit, is the latest in a series of Ukrainian strikes against Russian targets in the Black Sea. Slovenia floods kill at least 6 in worst natural disaster to ever hit the country. Slovenia has declared a state of emergency after floods killed at least 6 people and caused widespread damage. The floods, which were the worst to hit the country in decades, have also left thousands of people without power or water. At least 17 people dead after boat carrying Rohingya refugees capsizes off coast of Myanmar. At least 17 people have been killed after a boat carrying Rohingya refugees capsized off the coast of Myanmar. The boat was carrying about 100 people, mostly women and children, when it capsized in rough seas. Peru announces air security pact with United States after extended pause. Peru has announced an air security pact with the United States, ending an extended pause in cooperation between the two countries. The pact will allow the United States to use Peruvian air bases to monitor drug trafficking and other illegal activity in the region. Afghan universities ready to readmit women but not until Taliban leader says it's okay, official says. Afghan universities are ready to readmit women students, but only after the Taliban leader gives his approval, an official says. The Taliban has previously said that women will be allowed to attend university, but only in segregated classes. These are just a few of the top news headlines from around the world today.